Let's see. See, I'm on. Oh, chair moved. So this is gonna be kind of weird, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and how a computer would do it based off the instructions that we normally give a computer. So computers in generally are just really dumb, big blocks of machines. That's it. They are just they are oversized paperweight. They are very dumb. We have to give the instructions for the computer to know what to do, and they're very specific. So I am going to play the role of a dumb computer, and that kind of makes me laugh because I'm already deaf and blind, you know, have hearing aids and contacts, and now I want to be dumb. So we're going to see how this goes. So I have the ingredients in a recipe that I got offline, just a basic peanut butter and jelly sandwich recipe, and want to follow the directions verbatim as a dumb computer, and we'll see what happens. So I got peanut butter, and I got jelly, I got some napkins because this pop's gonna get messy, and I got a paper plate. Didn't have any knives, but I got a spoon. So, okay. Oh, and bread. So the ingredients are 2 slices of bread, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons of jelly. Okay. So the first step of instructions are to spread the peanut butter on a piece of bread. So I have peanut butter, and I have jelly, and I have bread. My first instructions are to spread the peanut butter on a piece of bread. Okay, the problem is the fact that, you know, I can't really do it because the instructions are very poor. There's assumptions being made beforehand, assuming like the peanut butter lid's already open and that the bread's already out of the bag and stuff. Those are the kind of assumptions a computer does not know to make until we give it the instructions. So that's a first bug, if you want to call it. You know, the computer's not going to know what to do because the instructions were not giving, like the very first instructions were not given, because I'm dumb. So let's go ahead and continue on and making assumptions that, you know, the code was written out, that the instructions were given, that, you know, to get the bread out of the bag, which means untie, get a couple of slices out. Let's go ahead and get to this point of assuming that, you know, those instructions were given very literally. Okay. So we got the bread out, and like again, it says spread the peanut butter on 1 piece of bread. Like I said earlier, the lid's still on it. Spreading it, let me get this up here. Spreading it is not really an option, right? So again, let's go ahead and make an assumption of that, you know, the instructions were given to, you know, unscrew the lid and come off. And assume the instructions were given to open the seal without breaking a nail. Ow. Ow. Okay. So we assume instructions were given to unscrew the lid, take off the seal, whatnot. So, okay, so we go back to the instructions that we have here on the simple peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It says spread the peanut butter on 1 piece of bread. Okay, lid's off, seal's off. Sorry, you can't really spread it. I mean, it's not spreadable. So again, instructions need to be specific. Instructions need to be dip your spoon, knife, whatever, and take a scoop out. Okay. And then we're getting to the point where the instructions are spread the peanut butter on 1 piece of bread. So you can already see how like missing several steps in regards to unscrewing the lid, get the pieces of bread out, how, not giving a dumb machine, which is the part I'm playing right now, the correct instructions can actually prevent your code from working. So, okay. So spread the peanut butter on one piece of bread. Get that done. Spread the jelly on the other side. This is going to get messy. Okay. So again, we're assuming instructions have been made to take the lid off and all that stuff. So I'm at this point, I got a piece of bread, and my next instructions are spread the jelly on the other side. Okay. Does this mean I do that? And so I got peanut. I got the jelly here. And do that. Is that what that's assuming? I mean, because it just says, all instructions say is spread the jelly on the other side. That's a lot of jelly. And then it says, put the two pieces of bread together to form a sandwich. So I got jelly, and on this side I got peanut butter. And so I put the two, that works. That's the instruction, does work. Put the two pieces together to form a sandwich. But now, so I don't think this was the intent behind the instructions for me to have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Oh, crap. Stuck to me. Oops. That's why there's napkins here. But yeah. Okay. So you can see how this isn't really funny, because you can see how like a dumb instructions can give, or instructions, not clear, specific instructions given to a dumb machine, which is all a computer is, can make a mess of something. Obviously not be appealing or working like you thought it was going to. So that's my demonstration for today. Got a little bit messier than I thought, but that's okay. If you don't write good code, it's going to be a mess. So anyways, if you have any questions, let me know.